Be able to really record and cook. Like, what the hell did you do with my pack?
Hey guys, this is yours.
What, this?
Yeah. I put it on a little, that's garlic.
Don't you put it on both sides?
Channel cooking hamburgers with dirty dishes on the stove.
She said you're gonna have to move all this.
Hey guys,
She's in both sides, is what she's telling me.
yeah, okay guys, so, yeah, I heard you.
We're not going to.
Where's the garlic powder? Hey guys, welcome to, a new series called How to Make Food.
How to make cheeseburgers by
Yeah,
Josiah.
yeah, and it's episode 1 of How to Make Food.
I know you heard about the things.
Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, so we'll,
area.
so guys, so this is my new video. So,
One is mine.
wait a minute.
There's enough room for both, right?
Yeah.
So put it in so I can season them right. That's good enough for mine.
So let's get right into it. Is this yours?
Yes, that one is mine.
Okay, put it in the stove now.
Go ahead. Make sure you put it to the side.
Look at those patties. Can you be my cameraman?
Down, no, it's not. I'm going to sit back down.
See, and there we go. No. Let's go get him a spatula and try not to burn stuff up. Huh? What was I about to say?
You looking for the spatula? You looking for the spatula?
Yeah.
It's probably in the sink.
Up here?
That pan right there. Looking at this thing, you gotta wash it out. You gotta wash it out.
Okay, guys, just a sec. We're back. Sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties. So guys, sorry I'm off the video. Well, yeah, I should have been doing that. But this is if any grown-ups are watching, please subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope y'all guys will have a good time. Like there's like fire, I don't even know why. Hey guys, so good luck to you. Okay, oh snap! Sorry guys, I diverted myself. Now I'm gonna flip it. I didn't attempt to get him the grease out. Hey guys, right back. I'm gonna empty some grease out. So you let them cook for a while. So usually really down, and then let's go flip it over. Flip it over. So that's the like what? Okay. What are you doing today? So, maybe like step like do this like have me come like cook it up for me a little bit. So I could be do this, get like some grease out. I wish I would have a longer spatula so I would keep burning myself. Oh yeah, guys, please don't say some likes and comments for more how to make food. I am glad I am start off with cheeseburgers. So let's something like that. Flip it over. Oh snap! Nope, not on the fire. Not on the fire. Flip it over. Now flip it over. So I guys can see. Yeah, so this side is crispy. Let me check on the other side. So I'm gonna check the other side. I'm crispy, but not done yet. Not done yet. There will be some special features in this playlist. I'm gonna have this one thing script. So if you guys don't have a cookbook at home, y'all guys can watch a board of how to make food. And this is season 1, episode 1. Okay. So they will be like, some stuff you can't do. So you like let them like cook. So there goes 2 burgers, they're crispy enough. And like, come see how the burgers are, then I'll put the cheese on it. Come see how the burgers are. So I put the cheese on it or not? So I put the cheese on it now? I'll flip it one more time.
This one could cook a little longer. This one you could probably put the cheese on, let it melt and take out. But this one let it cook a little longer and cook it.
Okay, so I'm going to put the cheese on this one. Alright, so one is done.
Where's this go at?
Now one burger is done now. So let's put the grease on one burger. Put that burger in the most grease. Put this burger over here. And then put the cheese on this burger. Cheese on that burger. So guys, so please subscribe for more how to make food. Subscribe for more. And they will be like alright guys, and if you're alright for kids or teenagers or gaming people who like some subscribe to other people who like gaming, then subscribe for more gaming. Okay. So this one is like done. Okay. So this one is done. So this burger is done. So I'm gonna take it out. Now this one. There. Okay, guys, now this one should be done. Put cheese on. Then let me get the cheese on. There's another cheeseburger. So this one is another cheeseburger. Okay. So you let it melt. So we'll be right back when it's melted. It's melted. The cheese like melted. Like, guys, we'll be right back till it's fully melted. Well, this fully melted now. I know I said that. So that's it for how to make burgers. So bye. The video's not over yet. So I'm going to show you how I make my burgers.
Who are you talking to?
So
I'm cooking.
No, you're not. You're gonna burn yourself if you keep it up. Okay, guys. So after done, cut up a tomato.
I miss cooking. I like cooking.
Do.
I like cooking. I like cooking apples. I like
So-
grapes. I like.
So I like my tomatoes.
Like everything, William, leave that alone. Don't play with that. Not okay.
So
Oh, there it goes. Excuse me, Mama.
here goes the mayonnaise here. Mayonnaise here, guys. And then I am put
Honey mustard. Honey mustard.
Okay, 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna put my mustard over here.
Put it in first.
Oh, you're so fast. Please come here. So I'm gonna cut up some lettuce. I'm gonna cut it up. I just like slightly rip it off. Put it on my burger. So I'm gonna put on my lettuce right on my burger, and on my tomato next. And oh yeah, to cut this tomato up a little bit more. Put this tomato up first. This tomato. And then put this on it. Okay, guys. So here it is. How I'm gonna make my burgers. And I am thank y'all guys for watching. Please leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If from y'all guys want more of how to make food, and there will be another burger one, but not without cheese, or well, hoping y'all guys really just enjoyed the video. So please leave them a thumbs up, and now see you guys in the next video. Bye.